Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a really fun unboxing. I have the winter edition of the FabFitFun box. And I'm going to share with you guys what's in here and why I am just so excited about this box. FabFitFun is a really awesome subscription box that costs $49.99, but you get over $200 worth of goodies in this box every season. So, you know, each season they have different products that you can pick out, or some of them are curated by different experts. So if you love trying new products, if you love to stay up to date with the latest products, meet new brands, and discover new products to fall in love with, this is the perfect box for you. And it's just kind of like a well-rounded lifestyle box. I mean, you can find like fitness things, you can find beauty things in here, you can find fashion, you can find basically a little bit of everything in the FabFitFun box. But I'm gonna show you guys what's in the winter edition. So let's get started. I'll share with you guys the first things that you'll see. There is a FabFitFun sticker. You could put this like on your hydro flask or something. We have this, it says, "Dear self, today you will shine," and oh, it's a little postcard for yourself or for a friend. It's a $15 off coupon code. Next, we have a $45 credit to Bright Sellers on your first box of personalized wine matches. So any winos will enjoy that coupon. There is a HelloFresh. Oh, I'm so gonna take advantage of this. It is a HelloFresh 9 free meals across 5 boxes, including free shipping on your first box. How awesome is that? We haven't even gotten into the actual products yet, and you already got a bunch of deals and savings already. We've got the little catalog magazine that they have, and if you flip through, more coupons and more deals for you guys in here, but you get to see all the products that were available in that season. But when you go on, you can pick which product. So some of these I actually picked myself, but you can see the products here that they have, and it has like, you know, their price and little description about them. So there's a few pages on that. You've got some makeup tips. So you've got some tips actually using the products that are in here. And then there's also some recipes, some winter drinks, and we have a little interview. And when you keep flipping through, there's actually a page on why this box is so important or so awesome, is that FabFitFun has teamed up with Stand Up to Cancer. So here's the page in the magazine talking about how FabFitFun has collaborated with Stand Up to Cancer, which is raising awareness for just sharing how difficult it's been during this pandemic for cancer patients. And the reason this is so important to me, and the reason it's so near and dear to my heart, is because my aunt and grandma have cancer right now during this pandemic, and I can only imagine how difficult it's been. And it says here that you can donate in the winter edit sale. There's just so much in this one little magazine. Okay, I've done a lot of talking just about this, so let's actually get into the products that I got in my winter box. So the first thing I noticed in the box was this Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening. I've actually seen this around and I've been dying to try it out, so I'm actually going to include a clip here showing you guys me using this for the very first time. So in this kit, you'll get the LED light tray, you'll get 3 of the syringe applicators. So Mobile White combines cool blue LED light to accelerate safe teeth whitening for faster, easier, and more effective whitening, and a mobile device adapter. I'm all about teeth whitening products, so I was so excited to give that a try. The next thing I saw in here I was so excited about. This is from Daily Concepts. I've tried this brand before and I love them. This is the Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. If you're not familiar with dry brushing, it is so good and healthy for your skin. In the past, I've done dry brushing like on my body, but I've never tried it on my face, so I was really excited about that. So here is what it looks like. It's just this cute little guy, but it is so awesome. And dry brushing is just so great because it's a great exfoliator for your skin, and I have really dry skin, and especially during winter, my skin is just dry, flaky, and just the texture of my skin is very bumpy. It's not acne or anything, it's just my dry skin building up. It's just so flaky and gross. And so dry brushing is great for that, but also it helps to stimulate cell turnover on your skin and help like get that blood pumping and flowing through your skin, which is why I love using it on my body. But I'm so excited to now be using it on my face with this little guy. So awesome. It's gentle, so it's not too abrasive on your skin. If you were to use like the body one, that might be a little too much, so that's why this little guy is like perfect. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to just brighten up your skin, give yourself that radiant glow, nice smooth skin, this guy is gonna be your new best friend. This next product, I've heard of things like this before, but I've actually never tried it before, so I was super stoked. This is from DP Hue. This is the ACV Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo powder. I'm all about dry shampoos because I don't wash my hair often. I wash my hair maybe once or twice a week. So when my hair is looking a little bit oily and greasy, it's dry shampoo to the rescue. So this says it's a gentle dry shampoo powder that helps absorb oil and impurities, refreshes style quickly, and adds a touch of lift and texture. That's another thing that I've always loved about dry shampoos, is that it gives your hair a little bit more volume. Say your hair, like you wake up and your hair's just super flat and oily, give it some dry shampoo and it's just like comes back to life, has some volume, has some life to it, and the oil and shine is gone. There are so many great benefits to apple cider vinegar. In the past, I've actually done an apple cider vinegar hair mask or hair rinse, and it is super good for just cleaning, like a deep cleanse on your hair. So this apple cider vinegar dry shampoo, it's like cleansing and absorbing the oils. It's just like your hair's gonna be clean without even showering. That probably sounded really gross, but you know what? Life hacks, ladies, life hacks. So what I would do is either like put it directly in my hair if I'm super oily, but if I'm just a little oily, I'll take some in my hand and just kind of massage that product at my roots. You don't really need to focus it here at the bottom. It's just here, like on your roots or your scalp. That's where you get the oiliest. And it does not smell like apple cider vinegar, thank God, because I can't stand the smell of apple cider vinegar. It's so stinky and so strong, but this doesn't smell like it, I promise. Eee! I'm so excited about this next one, and I'm going to try it on camera just for you guys. So this is the only one I didn't like fully open because, again, I wanted to try it on camera with you guys. They are these fluffy little like winter Christmassy type socks. It's from Mucklux. Mucklux is a 4th generation family owned business, and they are from Milwaukee. So let's try these on. They have these little grips on the bottom, so if you have like hardwood floors and you're slipping and sliding in your socks, you don't have to worry about that. You can do yoga in these socks. Just kidding, not that you would want to, but you could if you wanted. There's these little pom-poms on the front. Oh my gosh, let's just try these babies on. They are so warm and soft. Oh my goodness gracious. These are so cute. Look at how cute they are. They're like little inside boots. Aren't they so cute? And they're so soft, you guys. These are incredibly soft. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna wear these for the rest of the video. See what I mean though? Like, I would have never known of this brand otherwise. So that's what I love about FabFitFun. You get to be introduced to brands that you've never heard of before maybe, or you get products from brands that you're already familiar with. So I think overall it's a super great box. There is more, don't you worry. Next we have this cute little like wallet guy here. This is from Below the Belt. It's perfect like if you don't want to be carrying around like a big bulky purse. Sometimes I just like to put things in my pocket and like leave the house like that. Like sometimes I don't like bringing a whole lot, so that would be perfect for days like that because I could just put it in my pocket. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this headband. This headband is from, I think you pronounce it Lily Sadowi, and you can find more of their products at lilysadowi.com. Okay, so look at how stinking cute this headband is. Probably wouldn't normally wear it with a style like this, but actually it doesn't look too bad. I'll wear it for the rest of the video because it's so cute and it's not super tight. I have a little bit of a big head and this fits very comfortably. I wanted to save the biggest for last, but it is the Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. I've seen this before on Impressions Vanity. I actually have one of their vanities. I love this company. They just make high quality mirrors and lights to help you get your perfect makeup look. And here is what this guy looks like. It is so cute and perfect. It has like an adjustable mirror so you can, you know, change the angle, because sometimes like if you're doing mascara, it's good to look underneath like this, or if you're just doing your regular face makeup, keep it like that. I love that you can adjust it. But this is such a super clear mirror. You know when you just see a mirror and it's just like, you can see everything. It's so clear. And the soft touch, I just am obsessed with. You don't even, it's not even a button, it's just like a soft little touch like that. Look at how bright that is. Oh my gosh. You are not gonna mess up your makeup when you have a light and mirror like this. And you can also adjust the light. Say this is a little too bright, you just hold this and it dims. Do you see how like it's dim now? So you can adjust it to your preference. I love this. This is the coolest thing ever. And this came in the box. How cool is that? Let's just see how much that mirror is. You guys, that mirror alone is $45. The Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit is $89.99. So $90 for that one product. Woo! Heck yeah, this box is worth it. These amazing socks that I'm obsessed with and I never want to take them off, they are $25. The headband is, let's see, this headband is $49. Oh my gosh. Okay, another thing that I love is that you're getting such great deals on products. Like, I probably wouldn't spend $49 on a headband, I'm just saying, but I got it in this box. Like, the apple cider vinegar dry shampoo is $24, and the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush is $20. Oh my gosh, wait, I just remembered there was one more product, and this is from the brand Aesthetica. This is a liquid eyeliner. It has one of those kind of like stiff brush heads, and so it makes it super easy to apply your eyeliner, especially if you're a beginner at doing eyeliner or like wing liner. This makes it so easy. Sometimes with like the flimsy kind of brush ones, it can be easier to like mess up, but when you have like a stiff eyeliner brush like this, you can do like little tapping motions like that and create the perfect eyeliner. And this little guy was $21. And you see what I mean with all this adding up, like such a great value. And the little below the belt croc card case was $35. Okay, someone who's good at math, can you add that up? How much was that? That was some kind of deal. And don't forget, you also got those coupons from earlier too, so dang, what a good value, right? So that is it for this unboxing. Again, if you are someone that just loves to try new products and be introduced to different brands that you've never heard of, or get things that you probably wouldn't buy for yourself like on its own, definitely check out FabFitFun. I will have a link down below, as well as a coupon code. You can use Jackie10 for a little bit of a discount. Woo woo, save some money. And if you already are subscribed to FabFitFun, let me know what you got in your box, because I know you can pick things, so it could be different for some people. And these were some of the things that I picked out, so let me know what you picked. And if you've never heard of FabFitFun before, let me know, what did you think of this box? Is this something you would be interested in? And also, which product from this box was your favorite? So thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!